Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a recent update on Instagram that allows you to enable likes notifications from profiles you follow for posts you're tagged in, specifically on your PC. If you've been missing out on the love from friends on your tagged photos, stick around and I'll guide you through the simple steps to turn those notifications on. First, let's start by opening your Instagram account on your PC. Just head to your web browser, type in instagram.com, and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on that icon to expand your options. Next up, choose Settings. This will take you to a new menu where you can manage various aspects of your Instagram experience. Now, from the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This is where all the magic happens regarding how you receive updates about your interactions on Instagram. After that, select Push Notifications. This option allows you to customize what notifications you want to receive on your device. Finally, look for the section labeled Likes and Comments on photos of you. Here, you'll see an option saying, From Profiles I Follow. Click on it to enable notifications from the accounts you're interested in. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled likes notifications from the profiles you follow for your tagged posts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates.